It's May 20th, 2011. We're on a canoe ride with Alana. And in front of us is an alligator.
I want to see.
See the alligator, Alana?
I don't.
Straight ahead of us. There it is.
He's real.
He's real, yeah. Say hi, alligator.
Alligator.
Wow. He's letting us get really close. Oh, he's coming faster.
I'll swim away from him.
Wow, did he... I can hear him breathing. What do you see, Alana?
I see a froggy right there.
A froggy?
Next to the alligator.
Next to the alligator is a froggy? Oh. Oh, he's just sitting.
That's the thing.
Look, he's just sitting there. All I can see is his eyes and his nose now. Oh, there's his body again.
There's body again. I see alligator. He's real.
Yeah. What's his name?
CFI.
CFI? Oh, that's a good name.
And he's swimming around.
Yeah.
But he's real.